Weightless. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all this Deepika Padukone inspired cat eye makeup look. If you want to know how to get this look, make sure you watch the whole video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. So to begin with the look, first I'm going to complete my eye makeup, then I'll go to my face makeup. So for that, I'll start filling up my eyebrows using this eyebrow pencil from Mascara in shade 02 dark brown. To make my eyebrow look more sharper, I'm going to conceal my eyebrow area with help of this Wet n Wild concealer. And now I'm going to apply this concealer from Wet n Wild in shade medium deep tan on all over my eyelids. I'm going to set my concealer with help of this compact powder from Faces Canada in shade Beach 03. I'm going to use this gel liner from Blue Heaven, and then I'm going to apply it over my eyelids, but I won't cross the crease line. I'll just apply this below my crease line. Quickly, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow shade from the Nudes palette, and now I'm going to mattify this gel liner with help of this black eyeshadow. Makeup, and the eye makeup is not done yet. So for that, first I'm going to use this primer from Blue Heaven, and I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm going to conceal my face using this same Wet n Wild concealer. Foundation in shade 330. I'm going to set my face with the help of this compact powder from Faces Canada. I'm going to use this Lakme Insta-Liner, and I'm going to create the wing with help of this liner. So now let's move on to the mascara. I'm going to use this mascara from Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in shade 01 Black Beauty. sorry. Now I'm going to apply this blush from Sugar in shade 01 Peach Peak. So this highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics in shade 01 Champagne. From Sugar Cosmetics in shade 06 Raisin Heaven. And guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, make sure you share this video with the family and friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my every new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.